boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing good out there. So, what are we doing today? Have the Serpent again. Thank you, Throne, for letting me borrow it. I kind of don't want to give it back this time, so like, just give it to me. Yeah, you have it. Bet. Shake my hand. Shake my Pacific Coast Riders, they throw weekly off-road rideouts here in SoCal. They're having one tonight. It's supposed to be like a meteor shower, so we're gonna go up to a viewpoint, check that out, see how that goes. I have the Serpent again. I'm excited. This bike is so fun on the dirt when it comes to trail riding. Full seat, you already know. So the GoPro doesn't have the best lighting when it comes to night riding. So I had to buy a light, okay? I ordered it yesterday off Amazon, came today. I thought that the light came with the helmet mount. It did not. So I had to MacGyver the shit out of it. Chat, am I cooked or is this gonna work?
Bruh.
Yeah, this is like the best I could get it.
Bruh.
Because I just like desperately needed light or else I was not gonna be able to film tonight. So there you have it. It'll be a lit video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get right to it. Sam Crow right now. Sons of Anarchy. Look like the Red Knight. My brother won this bike. A Dyna, a whole Dyna. In a raffle. He bought one ticket. The ticket cost $45. I'm a hound dog. I was stressing today for hours trying to figure out how to rig this shit up. My brother had lights this entire time. Look at the setup now.
Whoa.
These are Tusk, by the way, too. These are super fire. Ooh. Part of the game. Let's go. My boy just bought an E-Ride Pro today. How you feel?
Today, great.
Everybody getting E-Motos. If you guys have not got one, what are you doing? Get one already. Stop playing. But the one you want is right there.
So badass. I just need you to plug my phone.
No. How you doing? Shake my hand. That's not yours.
Key, bro. You don't even have my key.
Well, I didn't have the key.
Bruh. Right now. Made it, America. You know the vibes. We out here, outside.
I think I missed your tongue live in the flesh.
I'm a hound dog. And beyond.
Bro's gonna blind somebody.
Bruh, I'm gonna stay behind you. Chris, we got a bike.
This is the new Throne Serpent.
Oh, that's right. Throne?
Yeah, Throne.
Like bicycle.
They're a bicycle company, so they're. I love it, bro. It's like perfect weather right now. Oh my god. I knew I wasn't gonna. I was like, should I bring the sweater? But hell no. I'm so glad I didn't. This looks great right now. Alright, let's put it in high mode. You guys ready? Oh my god, guys. Oh, it's so dusty. Oh! It is so dusty. Oh my gosh, I cannot see a damn thing. I gotta get in front of the pack. Or I'm gonna have to let them go and I'm gonna have to get in front of the people because it's too dusty right now. I can't see anything. Oh, you good? Oh, look. This is way too dusty. Gotta get in front of at least a couple people right here. Because this is crazy. No way, I could not see anything. Get a little better. I cannot see nothing. I gotta be in the front. I'm having some difficulties. Somebody got lost in the trail. So
difficulties, America.
I'm gonna just give you guys a little rip real quick. A little solo run. This will probably be better if I can go a little faster. Oh, I gotta adjust the lights. Oh, I gotta adjust the lights. I gotta make them to where they were they're more pitched up. One thing I will say, the brakes on this bike are so much better than my e-ride. With them being stock brakes too, they're absolutely amazing. Bro, we lost you guys.
There's a web right here.
Where?
The rest of the guys are over there.
So the rest of the guys that we lost actually just put up.
It's on you right now. We got everybody. Back on the road. Oh my god. It is so loose. The serpent will just climb right up the edge. I gotta stay right behind bro, so that way I don't get dusted out and you guys can actually see the trail ahead of me.
We got no speed.
Uh-oh. Bike feels so good. I'm telling you, having a full Moto C is like, it shit is so clutch. I gotta ride the e-ride and I just get, you get lodged in this little crotch area and it's just terrible.
E-ride, he's committing e-ride treason.
Boy, we're gonna have to be riding a little slower than normal guys because we do have the rider to lead. We like to cruise a little bit more. So we're just gonna stay in the back, keep it slow, get some content. Hopefully Tonk does something crazy. Oh my brother in Christ, what's going on? What is going on? Oh, hold it, hold it. Woo! A little obstacle to get there.
Replay, you heard?
Those lights off?
Huh?
Can you turn off the side lights?
My side lights?
Yeah, they stay on. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, it's the side lights and then the little throw lights too.
Okay.
I swear the Serpent's got this full motor seat. You can just really dive up in the front and let the back just whip out. That right, you see that? We're in here. This is a nice drive. I've never done this trail. Again, we're up here in Glendora Mountain Road, GMR. I've never been up here. Pretty cool spot. A bunch of trails. I've been up here hiking before, but I've never been in here on the e-bikes on these trails. Where are we going? These lights are so awesome, I swear. I'm so glad I swapped these out and I didn't leave the single light I had on. And it would have been terrible too because I would have had the big old snout on the front on the helmet, so it would have muffled the shit out of my voice and you wouldn't even have been able to hear me talk. So this is good. Woo! Telling you, this full seat, full moto seat, you could just get up in the front and let the back just eat in comparison to having the smaller seat. My dirt bike guys, you guys know what I'm talking about. Woo! I think they went, I want to say they went left. Wrong way? Not the way? Oh. Figured that. I think it's this way. Oh my gosh! I trimmed the hedges. This trail is awesome though. This is what I need. This is what I need right here. Oh, it's getting dusty again. Hopefully it didn't stop recording like it did right now. It's doing that thing again. Dang it. I don't know why. I'm not too skeptical. I think I'm just going to buy another SD card. Woo! I don't know this turn. I don't know this turn. Alright. Oh. There we go. Woo! Oh! I've never been on this trail, so I'm just free balling it right now. And it's amazing. Look at the view. Incredible. Incredible. And I'm like going down. Oh, we got hikers. Woo. This is all downhill, by the way, guys. So this feels crazy. Feels like I'm downhilling right now. Oh, it's loose right now. Oh, super loose. And there's like nobody behind me either, which is nuts. Actually.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I'm literally by myself right now. I'm gonna go back and see if they even went this way. Ooh, take one. There we go. Ooh, I was wondering if sharp. I will say that I am on some bald CST tires right now, so the bike is literally fighting for its life for grip. Like if I had some fresh knobbies on this thing, oh my gosh, it'd be a night and day difference right now. But yeah, I'm not complaining. They'll do it now. I just need to stop being a bitch. Oh! Bruh. Oh my gosh! You see it in that ground right now. Oh, this thing. Look at there was like a boulder in there. Sheesh. Alright, get back to it, lock in, Chris, lock in. Down with the laser right now. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. Alright, we're back on the trail. Swap my biter out.
Let's get a quote.
Hopefully we don't have no issues with it just turning off. Oh, we're gonna turn around. Oh, give it. Oh, he's a...
Nice! Yeah! No trespass.
Oh,
hey,
I'll edit it out, don't worry.
private road. Attack dogs on premises. That's actually nutty. I'm a hound dog. Yeah, we're gonna be going up this viewpoint up top, and there's gonna be a meteor shower tonight. Huh? I don't think I've ever seen a meteor shower. This might be the first time. Cast a leader like that.
Yeah, that was the dope clip right there.
Oh, my shit kicked onto eco mode. Oh, but why did it kill Bauer right now? Ooh, I want to rip through this so bad. But we gotta stay behind the leader, guys. Gotta stay behind the leader. Alright? Oh, it's so loose right here. Woo. Oh, it's so loose right here. You gotta sit me down. All of us are like, we're like caged animals right now. Ah! Trim the hedges, okay. Little combo. Damn, I cannot see nothing. It's so dusty. Whoa. Whoa. That dust is serious. That dust is serious, and we got Tonk in the way. Ah! Oh my gosh. You gotta stay right behind them so you don't get in the dust. We gotta get some more. Fire! Open her up right here. Woo! Oh, slow it downhill. Don't know this trail, so gotta be front is the front, what's the front? Oh my god! Yeah. Oh my gosh, we fucking fly right there. I was a little too hot, I'm not gonna lie. That was insane. Whoa. Okay, we gotta stop right here. If I just keep going, I will keep going. Oh, that felt good to just let this thing eat for a little bit. Whew. Let's go back.
Yeah, we don't want to lose him.
We done left the whole bag right now.
Oh, God.
Hey, we were cooking up right now.
You just gotta go slow like that, bro.
I gotta go. Oh, I think they're coming right now.
Bruh. Boy, if you don't get...
My bad. We didn't know you guys were coming around that corner. We didn't know y'all was run that corner that quick.
Holy shit, guys.
It's alright. It happens. No accidents happen. Maybe we should have did that. So like, oh my god. We done took out the whole pack right now. No, we didn't do that. Now I'm in the dust again. Thanks. Oh my god. We're over here trying to see some meters, but we ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh, hell no, man.
You
What
can't even
the
see
fuck,
nothing.
man?
Total darkness. You can see that though. That looks fire. We're heading back. Everyone's going low on power. Honk's at like 32%. I'm at 52%, which I'm fine. I could go ride around a little longer, but I think some others are like in the 30s right now, so we're gonna have to cut back. Oh, I love this thing. Little baby cow cat. Where? The little Hellcat just pulled up. It got cold right there. Woo! Oh boy, it's ripping right here. We don't know which way to go.
You gotta run into this one. Looks like it should be the thing to do.
Oi!
I got him.
Get it. Oh my god.
Hey, Chris.
No, you didn't. Ah, get away from me! What the hell? Oh, you... No way! No way! Oh my god! Oh shit! Okay, you wanna play? Oh! No! Our tires hit. Bro, the demon. Hey! Oh, you. Oh!
Pussy.
Look at you, look at you. Oh, I thought he was gonna go down. Go ahead. My brother in Christ.
Niggas playing on my downfall.
That's like a short ride on the way down. That's like a short ride on the way down.
That was fucking lit.
Good shit. How was that? Boys and girls, that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to be doing more dirt content, especially at night. That was super lit. So stay tuned for the next one. As always, comment, like, subscribe, and go bye-bye.